On behalf of the Employees Provident Fund Organization Regional Office Mangaluru, I extend a warm welcome and thank you for joining us today. We are here to brief you about the Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana program, PMVBRY program being organized by EPFO Regional Office Mangaluru on 19 June 2026 at 4 p.m. at the Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry Auditorium, Bandar, Mangaluru. This program is being conducted in alignment with the national event to be addressed by the Honorable Prime Minister from New Delhi and forms part of the nationwide release of PMVBRY benefits to eligible employees and employers. The Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana PMVBRY is a flagship central sector scheme approved by the Government of India on 1st July 2025 and formally launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on 15th August 2025. The scheme has been conceived as a transformative initiative to promote employment generation, strengthen social security coverage, and enhance employability across sectors of the economy with a special emphasis on the manufacturing sector. PMVBRY is unique in that it provides incentives both to eligible first-time employees entering formal employment and to employers creating additional jobs. Through this twin benefit structure, the scheme encourages workforce participation while supporting enterprises that contribute to employment growth. The Government of India has allocated a substantial financial outlay of Rs 99,446 crore for the implementation of this ambitious project. PMVBRY aims to facilitate the creation of more than 3.5 crore jobs during its 2-year operational period. The scheme covers formal employment generated between 1st August 2025 and 31st July 2027. As the implementing agency for the Social Security benefits, EPFO plays a pivotal role in the successful execution of PMVBRY. Through its robust digital infrastructure and extensive field network, EPFO is ensuring the seamless identification of eligible beneficiaries and the timely disbursement of benefits under the scheme. The program being organized by EPFO Regional Office Mangaluru on 19 June 26 will bring together distinguished dignitaries, representatives from industry and trade bodies, employers, employees and other key stakeholders from the region. The event is expected to witness the participation of eminent personalities from government, industry and public institutions, reflecting the importance of PMVBRY as a national initiative for employment generation and social security expansion. The program will also witness the participation of PMVBRY beneficiaries from the region, including eligible employers and first-time employees who have benefited under the scheme. Their presence will highlight the positive impact of PMVBRY in promoting formal employment, encouraging workforce participation, and extending social security coverage. The event will further serve as a platform to create awareness about the scheme, its benefits, eligibility conditions, and the role it plays in advancing the national objective of employment-led growth and inclusive development. The success of PMVBRY depends on active participation from employers and workers alike. We therefore urge all eligible establishments to register their employees under EPFO and take advantage of the incentives available under the scheme. By expanding formal employment and strengthening social security coverage, employers can contribute directly to the vision of a developed and self-reliant India. I also request our friends on the media to help disseminate information about PMVBRY to the wider public. Your support will be instrumental in ensuring that eligible employees, employers, entrepreneurs, and industry across the region become aware of this landmark initiative and are able to derive its benefits. On behalf of EPFO Regional Office Mangaluru, I cordially invite all stakeholders and members of the media to participate in the program on 19 June 26 and join us in supporting this important national mission of employment generation, social security expansion, and inclusive economic growth. Thank you for your presence and continued cooperation. Jai Hind. It's projected to be disbursed for the employees and
companies has to register and
of this scheme, that this scheme is being implemented from this day and all the eligible establishments who might take the advantage under this scheme or benefit, they can register. Since then, there has been a very, you can say, a tremendous progress in the lab. Yes, nearly 3,155 establishments, 3,038 have registered already and they are eligible for benefit under this scheme.
Can you repeat, sir?
Yes, sir. Out of 3,000 establishments, 3,200 nearly, in the approximate figure, and out of that 3,038 establishments are have already registered under the scheme, under the jurisdiction of Regional Office Bangalore. And as and when they become eligible, it depends on their ECR filing. As and when they are eligible, they will be getting benefits directly under this scheme.
Can the new upcoming startups take this one, sir, benefits?
Yeah, they can take, but provided that if they are a new startup and they are being, registered after the scheme came into effect, that is 1st of August 2025, then the minimum requirement of their employees shall be 20, and after that base time will be counted on 2 more. So suppose if there is a new startup, they are having 20 employees, and if they generate 2 more employment, that is 22, then only they will be eligible for benefits.
So micro startups don't have this.
No.
Below 20 you can,
No. Below 20, if there is a new startup after this scheme came into effect, then they are not eligible unless they are crossing 20 employees.
All establishments, it's for 4 years for the manufacturing sector. So all employees who are joining after 1st of August 2025, they become eligible for benefits under the PMVBRY scheme. So this is actually a continuous process which will be ongoing for over the next 2 years for all regular establishments and 4 years for the manufacturing sector. So it's an ongoing process.
No, only from DP. ODP is a different district, so it is under jurisdiction of Regional Office ODP. Under our jurisdiction, this many have already been.
I am Sandeep Biswas, Regional PF Commissioner in charge of Mangalore region.
I am Ankit Singh, Assistant Commissioner, Regional Office Mangalore.
Prime Minister shall attend that event and he will be releasing the first installment of this incentive. So it is actually a 6 months period. After every 6 months, the employee is getting half of the 15,000 the incentive that he is supposed to get over 1 year. So 7,500 amount for each employee will be released after 6 months. So Honorable Prime Minister of India, he will be releasing the first installment which is due. So and this all these events which we are organizing in every district or every region, this is in alignment with the national program which will be held by the Honorable Prime Minister.